So welcome to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Honda key fob. If you have that red light flashing and your car is reacting to it, well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. And first of all, let me start by saying that this is an updated version. I already did a video where it got more than 150,000 views, where people said that 85 to 95% of the people said that it helped him, but there's some other few people that couldn't get it fixed. So I'm gonna cover the extra other people that didn't get it fixed. So basically, the old tip on that video was to put some WD-40 on the key and to just press back and forth the buttons. So what happens is that sometimes they get dirty and they get stuck, and so the buttons are stuck and your car reacts to that. So that's why you see that red light all the time. So just try to throw some WD-40 and try to press the keys and see if that helps. Also, the new thing that you guys can try is this: come to your car and lock your car. You just long press to the locking button, and then you might just see the red light flashing. And when that happens, just press the unlocking button multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8 times, multiple times. And what it does, it pairs your key back to your car. Sometimes what happens is that it unpairs. Unfortunately, if you keep pressing like random keys, it might unpair, and that's why you get that red light. So either try the WD-40, boom, 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 boom. If it doesn't work, come to the car, long press to the lock, and then once you see that red light, unlock it multiple times, boom, 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 until it pairs again. Usually that fixes the issue. If none of those fixes the issue, you might need to reprogram your key, but I hope you don't have to do that. So let me know, guys, what you guys think. Subscribe to the channel if you think this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.